Welcome back to our next session, children. Subject English, Lesson 2, Koala, Part 4. The exercise is, listen each sentence first for a dog and then for a koala. Two animals are there. Then decide if it is true. Tick the box accordingly. Page number 20. Textbook page 20. We should classify two animals. One is dog and another one is koala. Which is the correct statements we should tick in the columns. Okay, children? The first statement is, the baby is born alive. The baby is born alive. For dog and the koala also. Here dog column is there. Here koala column is there. By seeing these sentences, which is correct or true, we should put the tick here. If any sentence is not related to these two animals, that means dog and koala, we should put wrong. Okay, children? We'll start. The first one is, the baby is born alive. The baby is born alive for koala and dog also. So, put the tick here. Two, dog and koala. Then second one, the baby makes a nest for itself. Is a dog making a nest? No. Same as even the koala also not making the nest. So what do you have to do here? Put a cross here. Even dog also, koala also not making the nest for their babies. Next, third one, their mother takes care of the baby. These two animals, are they taking care of their babies? Yes, they are taking care of their babies. Even dog and koala also taking care of their babies. Then fourth column, the mother feeds the baby on milk. Koala and dogs are giving milk to their babies. That means they are mammals. Okay. So fourth one is correct. So put the tick for dog column and put the tick for koala column. Send it. The next fifth one. The baby feeds in the mother's pouch. Baby feeds in the mother's pouch. Is a dog has a pouch? No. Who has a pouch? Koala has a pouch. The koala's baby is in her pouch, eating, sleeping, everything in her pouch itself. But the dog doesn't have the pouch. So this is the wrong for dog column and correct for koala column. Isn't it? Koala has the pouch, but the dog hasn't the pouch. The next, number 6. The baby sleeps on the mother's back. The baby sleeps on the mother's back. Is dog's babies are sleeping? No. Is koala's babies are sleeping? No. Both are wrong. The statement wrong for both animals. The next 7th one. The mother leaves the baby after birth. Isn't it, children? No. They are taking care of the baby after the death. Even the dog and koala also taking care of their babies. The next, last one. The newborn baby is the size of a bean. Which animal, children? Dog's baby or koala's baby? Looks like a bean. The size of a bean. Koala's baby size is like a bean, but dogs not like. This is the exercise, children. We can see it in the textbook page 20. Isn't it? Dear children, take page number 20. The exercise is for you only. Okay children, you have to do yourself. Write well. Think of any animal that you like. Here many animals pictures are there. You have to you like any animal, I think. Yeah. Whichever is you like the most, you have to write about these animals. Any one of the animals given there. Okay. Here lines are there. You have to write. Here in the box, questions are there. You have to write how it looks, where it lives, what it eats, how it feeds its young, etc. You find the answers of these questions given. Okay children, this is the task for you. Dear children, next exercise, take your textbook page 21. Page number 21. Here 4 pictures are there. Just you read children what is the exercise. These pictures show the various stages in the growth of a kangaroo baby. Here showing the 4 stages of a kangaroo baby. Can you put them in right order? We can find a lines that dash there near the picture. Choose from the box below a correct label for each picture. Once you see the bottom of the page children, here 4 options are there given. Cleaning the pouch, baby crawling into the pouch, baby feeding on the teat, fully developed babies. Here 4 words are there. You have to write the correct words in near the picture. Okay children? Children listen. Next exercise, new words. Children, new words. The first one is mammals. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. Mammals. Number 2, koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Number 3, chubby. C-H-U-B-B-Y. Chubby. Number 4, brownish. B-R-O-W-N-I-S-H. Brownish. Number 5, pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. Number 6, marsupials. Marsupials. Number 7, crawls. C-R-A-W-L-S. Crawls. Number 8, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Number 9, tender shoots. T-E-N-D-E-R. Tender shoots. S-H-O-O-T-S. Shoots. Tender shoots. Next, 10th one, branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. 11th one, chewing. C-H-E-W-I-N-G. Chewing. Number 12, provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E. Provide. Number 13, nocturnal. N-O-C-T-U-R-N-A-L. Nocturnal. Number 14, wedges. W-E-D-G-E-S. Wedges. Number 15, wraps. W-R-A-P-S. Rubs. 16. Forbidding. Forbiding. Forbidding. Number 17. Reserves. 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 We'll repeat children once. Mammals. 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 Koala. 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 Chubby. Chubby. Brownish. Brownish. Pouch. Pouch. Marsupials. 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 Crawls. Crowls. Scared. 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 Tender. Tender. Shoots. Shoots. Tender shoots. Branches. 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 Next. Chewing. 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 Provide. Provide. Nocturnal. 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 Wedges. 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 Wraps. 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 Forbidding. Forbidding. Reserves. Reserves. Then next exercise we are going to do the meanings, children. Number 2, meanings. 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 First one is chubby. Chubby means little fat. Fat. Second one, marsupials. Marsupials. What is the meaning of marsupials, children? Australian animals. Australian animals that carry their young young in a pocket pocket in a pocket of skin on the mother's mother's pouch. See, children, marsupials means Australian animals that carry their young in a pocket of skin on the mother's pouch. In this lesson we explained about two animals. What are they? They are kangaroo and koala. Number 3, scared. SCARED. Scared means you scared, frightened. FRIGHTENED. Frightened or afraid. Afraid. The next, number 4, tender. T-E-N-D-E-R. Tender means easy to bite, through and cut. What is the meaning, tender children? Easy to bite, through and cut. If you are seeing the branches of a tree or plant, the edge part of a branch, it is very easy to cut and break it. The next, number 5, provide. Provide means supply or give. Give, give or supply. You are getting like. Then number 6, nocturnal. N-O-C-T-U-R-N-A-L. Nocturnal means very active. Koala is very active in night time. Then next, number 7, wedges. W-E-D-G-E-S. Wedges means squeezes. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-S. Squeezes tightly. T-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Tightly into a narrow space. Squeeze tightly into a narrow space. They are going inside to the narrow place. The next, number 8, rocks. Rocks means cover. Puts family. F-I-R-M-L-Y. Family around. Wrap your gift. We are wrapping a gift. That is rugs. Covered. The next 9. Forbidding. That means ordering not to do. That work don't do. That means don't kill the koala animals. That is forbidding. Okay. The next, number 10, reserves. That is particular place. Reserves means particular place. Zoo park. We are saying the zoo park. That is the area fully is for reserves for the animals. Isn't it? Then we'll see once again, children. Chubby, fat. Chubby boy we say. The marsupials, Australian animals that carry their young in a pocket of skin on the mother's pouch. 2 animals are there, koala and kangaroo. Scared, frightened, afraid. If a lion is come near there, you will scared. That is. Tender, easy to bite, through and cut. Provide, give, supply. Next, nocturnal, active. Wedges, squeezes tightly into a narrow space. They can go inside to the narrow space. Next, rocks, puts family around. Then forbidding, ordering not to do. Don't kill the koala animals. That. Then reserves, particular place. Okay children, these are the new words and meanings of the lesson. Read these all exercises children and write in the classwork and homework book also. Write children and read well. Thank you.